Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Friday here. Thursday for you, Tom.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
for thank you for placing the that little update bit about CPI. I find it they're suggesting that there's going to be next week rate cut and then every month a rate cut or whatever, or every meeting, whatever.
Hmm.
Um, but the CPI is going up, and the tariff stuff is showing up now in the CPI, and it will further show up, which means it'll push inflation further up. But they're still going to cut interest rates. It's like, okay, that'll fuel
Yeah,
that.
because our bond yields are at 5.
Okay, that's what's happening. Okay, I didn't
Yeah,
take that into account.
the bonds have nowhere to go.
Yeah, okay.
So they've got to cut rates just to cut bond yields because nobody's refinancing those bonds. They're not willing
No,
to refinance them
no, no.
at 5. So the
Who would
private
want
sector is
to?
not buying, and foreign countries are dumping them.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't realize that. That's just going to turn things to shit.
Yes, yes, it is.
Yeah.
That's what I've been saying.
Yeah, I know. I
We're
didn't
in real
realize.
trouble, man,
Oh yeah.
financially.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. China will take over, Russia will. Yeah.
Yep. The allegiance is built.
Well, it's interesting, isn't it, how in basically 12 months you can turn stuff to shit pretty quick when you go
Yep.
and have a go at people that have been your allies or friends or whatever you want to call it for a long time. They get
Right.
pissed. They get pissed pretty quick, and they start doing stuff that you don't realize is going to. Well, they do realize, but that's going to affect them. So they just start selling shit somewhere else and start bypassing the US.
Right.
Mm.
Because they're breaking us financially, is what they're doing. That's why there's no soybean orders for any of our farmers from
No,
China.
no,
And
no,
this
no,
is their
no.
peak season.
Yeah,
I mean, just
yeah,
everything. Gas companies are laying people off now.
yeah,
Oil companies are laying people off. Vehicle plants are closing.
yeah,
Yeah, we're in real trouble. We are in
yeah.
real trouble. All the farming's gone because they got rid of all the migrant workers. Construction is slowed. Nevada's just basically about to claim bankruptcy. First, they will be the first state in US history to claim bankruptcy. Missouri's following them. Florida's in trouble. Yeah, it's bad. I mean, like it's
Mm.
bad, bad.
Have you been following you probably, I don't know if the US does, but you've been following French politics or French?
Yes.
Okay.
I follow all that stuff. I've been following
Okay.
Nepal and yeah.
Wow. Okay. You are not an American, Tom. You are, make me laugh sometimes because that's not other people don't know other Americans don't really know what's out of their neighborhood, unfortunately.
Oh no,
No,
I definitely dig the globe. I dig global news
yeah, yeah, no
because I see
worries.
all the bullshit from people like you and Darren in your areas broadcast news about the US. And I'm
Yeah,
like, wow, the US is just full of shit.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
we are so lied to, it's not funny. I
yeah,
mean, just
yeah,
ridiculous the
yeah,
level amount of lying that goes here through our news agencies.
yeah. It's interesting that you have that. Anyway, you have an absolute sort of real perspective on what's happening, which is very interesting. It's great. It's good, mate. Well done. Anyway, hey Darren, how are you?
All right. Okay. Thanks, Brian.
Geez, it's looking good. It's starting to settle down and almost don't even notice it, mate. You
I
know?
was gonna
Yeah.
say I didn't notice it until Brian said something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking
Now,
good.
now I was looking at the happy package.
Hey, did you want to read your disclaimer first?
Oh yeah, sorry. Whoops. Yeah, we'll
Nope,
do
no
that. Hang
worries.
on. Hang on a minute. Yeah. Okay, so welcome to this live Forex analysis session. We may talk about EAs, so please note that any EAs or trades discussed in the group are to be classed as educational only. We're a group of people who have each other and we're not financial advisors. So please only take trades or put on EAs that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There's a full risk disclosure bit about us as live session traders. Yeah. So yeah, I was looking at the actual they're like it's 30% off or something at the moment for the package, like 10 EAs. I can't remember. It was like 600, I think it for 5 licenses on each or something, which has got Happy Gold in it and Happy EA and a few of the other ones.
Yeah.
And it's like, I don't know, 700
Yeah.
euro.
Mm.
So yeah. So it looks like I might do that as a first little jump, I think. And then I've got a few other ones lining up there as well. But it's interesting to see. I don't know why they're doing sort of discounts at the moment, quite a bit, and some of the others. I don't know. You just got individual ones, did you,
No,
Darren? Or
I got that pack. So it only comes
oh
as a
right.
pack, doesn't it? Yeah, no, I got the pack.
Oh no, you can buy them individually, but they're nearly as much as what the pack
Yeah.
is.
So I got the pack. So I've got the Happy Gold, obviously that's up and running. But I am gonna get the Happy Forex. So the
Oh, Happy
Happy
Forex. That's right.
Happy
Yeah.
Forex. Having seen Petco's sort of review of that, and
Yeah.
you look at the drawdown, it's sort of the last sort of
Yeah.
year, it's been no more than sort of 1 to 2%.
Yeah.
It might not be as highly profitable as some of the others, but
But who cares?
yeah, that's right. So
So
don't
what did you pay that about? Did you go for the 2 license or for the 5 or the I can't
buy five
remember.
license.
Yeah, yeah. So it was about 600 or so, 700 or whatever euro or euro. It depends on how you want to pronounce it.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Oh no, it's all right. Sorry,
But
I don't
yeah,
mean
well, it was
to.
about that. Yeah, it
Yeah,
was.
no, it seemed pretty good. Anyway, all right. I'll share. Wait a minute. Let me have a. Where are we? Oh no. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. No. I
Which
think
pairs
that.
does Petco run it on then? I'm gonna have a look at that again.
Sorry?
Which currency pairs is he running the
Oh, I don't know. I know. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Where are we here? I'll just share this, just so Tom is across. Here you go, Tom. This is
Forex?
60%, but there's a whole lot in here, but you don't, we're not necessarily talking that. If you go 10 pack, oh, there. Oh no, it's actually 8.99. Oh no, discounted to 620.29. That's right, there. It was 629.30. That gives you 5 accounts, unlimited 5 real accounts on each, so you can get two. And it's lifetime. So
Yeah, so it's 489, isn't it? Not 699. It's 489.
but that's only for the 2 license. If you want the 5, it's 629.
Oh, I think I've got the two.
Yeah, okay.
I think I've only got the two licenses actually.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
okay. Where's it?
I
It
suppose I
doesn't.
did it on the basis it's really the gold that I'm after. So
It was, yeah, yeah,
maybe I
but
should have
it
got some
doesn't. It
time.
doesn't. It's really weird. It doesn't list there which ones are in the 10 pack. But somewhere I looked it up. It's got. Oh, actually, it's in here. It's a FAQ. I'm pretty sure. Uh, Here. Happy frequency, happy news, happy gold, happy forex, happy Marty grid, happy way, happy market hours, happy algorithm, happy fast, and happy trend. That's 4-5. They're both MT45, or
Mm.
all of them are. So yeah. Yeah,
Can you use those in the United States?
yeah, absolutely can. Yeah, yeah, no worries at all. Yeah. But also too though, Tom, you could also get an outside of US broker if you wanted to. It's up to you.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Um,
so I've got Happy Gold on. It's actually
you
running on
see,
main
it says,
trading account.
I think it says some of these ones here, like, like you're paying anywhere from 300 to 500 sort of thing for each individual one. But that Happy Gold's is not in there. There's some of the other ones. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then if you want to buy any of the other ones, you can get 30% on those as well. Hmm.
Imagine
Um,
being able to build an app with your name on it just by
oh,
thinking.
Sorry, that was me.
there. That's okay. It's no
Just
problem.
looking for the Petco that recent review he did. I just want to see what pairs he's actually running. Happy Forex.
Oh yeah. I will get to that. Yeah, you put that in the chat anyway. So,
Yeah.
but that's yeah. So that's this process. I think I reckon I'll get this. And we'll see. I don't know. Is it worth? See, that's the thing. Is it worth having more than two accounts? uh,
What do you need more than two accounts for?
to run a number of
Yeah, I
um,
mean,
instances,
if
really.
you wanted to run all of those, you wanted to run all of those EAs, and you've only got two accounts, you're going to have multiple EAs on one Forex account, aren't you? So that's why the five real accounts. That's the benefit
Oh
of the.
no. This would be an account for each. Oh, it's got a little star. What's that
But
mean?
it's
Passive.
linked to the it's tied to the
Oh, see, a real account change is possible only once.
yeah, it's tied to the broker account number.
Yeah.
So two real accounts, you can only use two broker accounts.
Mm.
So you haven't got a lot of room to you want to run all these. So there isn't a benefit to
Well,
having.
that's a limitation, isn't it? That you can only change it once. Like
Yeah.
if you, yeah.
But it
So
is
it,
thinking about it, if I ran it on a funded account,
yeah, and it
um,
blows.
and it blows,
Yeah,
that's it, it's gone, isn't it?
yeah. Well, you could put it again on another. You could change
Another
it
one,
once and put
but
on
then that'll
another
be
one, but
it.
that's
Yeah,
it. Yeah, it can't change again. Well, that's a bit of a limitation.
it is. Yeah.
But if you had five, then it just depends on what you do. But the point, yeah, it's only if you lose the account or that you say I want to change the account. But then you could always though, yeah, no, that's got a drama, hasn't it? I'm just trying to think about. You could always use a copy facility, but you would still have to run it.
I mean,
So
you can always email these. Once you got their email, just email them direct and say, "Can I upgrade to the full pack?" Or can I upgrade to five real accounts? They'll always do you
yeah,
a
yeah,
always
they do
do
your deal.
something. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Anyway, that's just that at the moment, but that's an interesting little that maybe more than once. Well, just like it just depends. Yeah.
They use magic numbers, these ones again as well, I think. So
Yeah. So you can run, but the point is, that's again too. If you ran 2 or 3 EAs on the one account, and that account gets blown by one of them, then you're stuffing up the others as well.
yeah, that's
Do,
right. Yeah.
do you know what I mean? So it's
Mhm.
really about having each one running on each account or on individual accounts. And the thing is too, for me, if you run a number of EAs on one account, how do you know which is doing what? And it's a bit more difficult. But anyway, all right. So there's that.
Just looking at it, he's trading it on AUD, USD, Euro, CHF. I'm just looking at it. I've got the sound turned off. Looking at
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah, yeah. It was, yeah, I think it's on 3 pairs or 4 pairs. I
video
can't
he put
remember.
out there recently.
Hmm.
It's a grid system, but it's not martingale, so that's
Yeah, it's not Mardi Gras. Yeah.
when you can
But
turn
it's
the
interesting.
martingale on
I,
or off.
I look at all this happy thing and I'm thinking, shit, is this the one EA in the background? Is this the one? And he's just calling it a different name. Do you know what I mean? It's like it's licorice, but it's licorice with chocolate on it. It's licorice with
Yeah,
chili in it. It's licorice with, it's all bloody
yeah,
licorice.
yeah, yeah.
Um, yeah, good marketing. But anyway, okay, let's go quick looking through these pairs. I thought I wanted to go off on that, Tom, and Darren, just to have a look at that sort of EA stuff that's going on. But anyway,
He's using it on a funded account as well.
yes,
Darwin
yeah, a Darwin X, yeah, and he's got $1,000
live
as
account. Yeah.
well. Yeah, but I think it's great this Interact EA Academy. I mean, they're quite open about stuff, but you don't have to be subscribe to a monthly thing or anything. And if you've got knowledge of what's going on with it, I mean, they're basically doing all the testing for us.
Yeah, they're doing the work for you, really. So I don't know, they obviously get some commission from plugging the likes of Darwin X
Oh,
and
of course they do.
so
Of
on,
course they
but
do. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's fair enough. I mean, they've got to, they want to make something out of this. Not that, just doing
Yeah.
it to be nice to everybody. I don't.
But then again, they're making stuff out of the testing as well, and they're
Yeah,
getting
they
their
are. Yeah.
testing processes much more, and they get um, people that have EAs approach them and say, "Oh, will you do this?" I'm pretty sure their cost of their EA cost is probably minimal, if not paid to test it. Do you know what I mean? To
Yeah.
promote to people. So we think, like, oh, they're going to have to pay, 1,000 whatever dollars for a EA. They're probably getting them for nothing, and
Yeah.
someone saying, "I'll give you 1,000 to test it and put it out there." So
Yeah.
anyway, that's how I'd be doing it.
Yeah.
But that's me. All right, let's whip through some of these pairs. This AU CAD as just is incredible. Like a takeoff. Wouldn't that have been nice to get into? Anyway, it doesn't look like it's sort of hopefully it's about to hit the limit and fall off the cliff, but I'm not absolutely certain because this Canadian dollar is weakening off, and then it's not when's this and not until the 16th, so it's next week sometime. There's the inflation rate in Canada, and it was like only 1.7. I mean, this is a year on year. And how's the US? 3% or 3.1 or something when you take out the volatiles. Like that's a good number for them. Um, they'll be able to send out some good stuff and stuff won't be that dear in the country. Oh, well. All right. You didn't jump on that bandwagon, Tom, did you?
I did. and I panicked and got out way early.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Well, that's okay though. If you grab
That's
some,
okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
That candle pulling back at that wick, right at those gold bars. For
Yeah.
some reason, it spooked me, and I got out.
Yeah. Well, it's okay.
And I was like, nah, it's going to turn around here. It's got a wick.
Yeah.
It's going to turn around. And it just
Yeah.
never came back.
Yeah. Okay. No, and it doesn't look like it's starting to lose any steam as yet. But the sort of the prediction line is saying it's going to hit a point and then just drop off, pull back, drop off, pull back, and come back down here, which certainly think that's going to happen. But it just depends on when that turn occurs. I'm still waiting for the gold bar. It might be next week, whatever.
Well,
Okay,
mine says it's coming back to the 88 on this time frame.
further down, back down to here.
No, back up.
Oh,
Like way up. Like way, way up.
okay.
Because if you shrink this down, you could see it just blew through
Yeah,
the 619.
yeah. Yeah, I'll do another. Hang on, just one sec. I'll just grab the. Oh no, gotta go down. Sorry. You want that and that. So yeah, it just went through 619. You're talking about it potentially going to the 88.
Right.
Well, the point is
So
no
how
prices
it
are
gets to the 88,
no
I
prices
don't
are
know.
no prices already nearly there. If you look at it, that's the 88 just
Oh,
there.
you're looking. You got to go further back then.
You reckon?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. There it
You
is.
want
That's the
you
one I'm
want
talking
you
about.
want back over there.
Yes.
Okay.
So mine's saying it's going to the 88,
Which is up here. But
which
it's
is
going to
up there.
break that top.
Yes.
Mm.
So I'm only looking for buys out of this. So do I care that I missed this push? No,
No.
because it is going to come back down to this section here. It has
Yeah,
to before
but
it checks
but
out.
it is going to do a pullback here. I mean, it can't just keep rocking it up. I mean, without some sort of a
Right.
sell.
So now that it's come out of your high to low box, your white box
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
it's going to come back into the box.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I want to get this
So
sell.
yeah, okay. I'm just waiting for a pullback to get in.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll get the
It's
sell
not
and
gonna
then
it's
back.
not gonna come all the way back first. It's gonna
No.
tap the 88 and take all this out.
Okay.
That's what it's showing you on the higher time frame.
Yeah.
You just eclipsed that short. So it's not done buying yet,
Mm.
is what I'm saying. I believe we are coming to a high. Yes. But on the 2 hour time frame, we still have quite a ways to go. So if this thing pulls back 3 or 4 candles, gives me a gold bar down here, I'll set my entry at the top of the wick and let
Uh-huh.
it run.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. But what's that? Like if it gives us a gold bar anywhere here, we'll just imagine here, back down into the box, like that's 250 pips. If you can get a nice reasonable stop loss on there, that's not a bad return for it to come back into the box. But you don't think it'll do it at that point, do you?
Oh no, I do. No, I do, Brian. I do
Oh, okay.
believe it's going to come back into the
Okay.
box.
Yeah,
I'm
well, I
just
do
saying.
too.
I'm just saying, with that pullback
Yeah.
to get up to where it needs to go. Let's say it pulls back to the 619 again,
Yeah,
just to pull
okay.
back to the tip of that one, and then
Yeah.
push up. I'm looking at 312 of a push up.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, let's get both of them. But anyway, okay. Well, look, okay, AUD check. Let's keep going with them. Right, this one I'm also looking for the dropout here. Just need a gold bar here. It did break that. Look at it, came up, took out that wick. There's another one just there. And whether it will break that, I'm doubtful it will actually break this high, but it could. So I need to organise a sell stop in relation to that. If I got some time this morning, so I'll be able to do that after the spread settle down just a little bit. All right, ADJPY. No. Looks like all the AEDs, but there's no real news coming up that has got me at all sort of confident that this is going to change direction. But you're on Thursday though, aren't you? Darren's finishing his Thursday, which means that things may sort of just go sideways and settle a bit or change direction again, because the push, that sort of Tuesday to Thursday push is sort of nearing the end anyway. Oh yeah, you're Tom, the Thursday US session is nearly finished, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, AUD NZD. This is the one, Darren. Look, it's pushing back up again.
Yeah, it's still going. It is now
Draw down at what, 7 or
7? Are you kidding me, aren't you?
you got more than that? Oh, it's taken more trades.
AUDNZD, this is Dark Titan. Put a 2 in front of the 7.
Wow, it's 27%.
It's 27% now. It just keeps going and going.
Did you look at the failsafe level?
No,
Okay. Okay.
not all about that. Not busy with work, but
Don't look and you won't know. Okay.
I mean, it's not aggressive martingale either.
No. You said that yesterday.
Um,
It wasn't doubling or anything.
But I think one of the sides of a non-aggressive martingale, so more of a gradient, just keeps opening positions.
It's got to make a bigger move to be able to
It has,
recover.
yeah. So you're being drawn down for a lot longer potentially.
Yeah. It's whether the account will be able to handle that drawdown before it actually does come back. I mean, in the event that it comes back and actually, profits out, I mean, it will be a nice profit.
Yeah.
But it's just got to do that though. Anyway, it's interesting because the majority of the EAs that you have actually most of them operate in different ways though, don't they? I mean, they're grids, but some are without martingale, some have a low sort of martingale type thing. None of the ones that EA Academy are sort of putting out there actually have a true martingale, which is like a doubling up all the time.
No.
But remember what Petco said, it's like, when you get to a certain amount, take the profit out. It's like, that makes perfect sense. All right, AUD interesting to watch. Okay, AUD Singapore, and that's jumped off too. Oh my, look, I don't really want to trade this because of this sort of chop that's going to be or potential. Anyway, AUD USD. Right. Now, this is like AUD CAD, and this, with the news coming out, this is saying it's just going to keep going. Like, is it still time to get in? Like, look it's still got to take out at the daily. it's still going to take this out. And then it's going to go further up here to the turn. I don't know what's going on with the Aussie dollar. Like, this is just like crazy. There's nothing dramatic here. It's like, it must just be US and Canada. That's the thing. Anyway. Well, you haven't jumped on board there, Tom?
No, I'm still in the range of the lower time frame fib.
Yeah, okay. All right,
We
CAD
just
on
passed the 618, so I'm
yeah,
just waiting to see where it plays out now.
yeah. Well, it goes 88. It might even break the top. See the 100. All right, CAD CHF. Now you were in the sell on that and got out. That's fair enough. I'm not really too convinced with this at the moment. CAD J though. This one got messy. I don't know. This all changed. This was just like dropping off I know the CHF was. But are you in the cell or not?
No, it's chopping sideways.
Yeah, okay. Now, it does look like though it's going to sell out longer term if you go the daily and the weekly. The weekly says it's going to buy.
Mm-hmm.
The daily says so. As soon as you have that conflict between the weekly and daily, you just move on.
Well,
Is that
yes and
correct?
no. Yes and no, because my daily says we're going to push up just a little bit, but we're going to push down. My weekly says we're pushing down. So what I
Oh,
look for is
it's
the
totally different to what I've got.
uh, yes.
Oh, okay.
So the way I look at it is I look for my the gold bar on the daily time frame.
Yeah, okay.
If it creates a daily gold bar
Hmm.
and you get how many typically? Three?
Yeah, three.
Okay, so I count down three candles, one, two,
Yeah, okay.
three, and
Three
then
bricks.
find it
Yeah.
on the lower time frame,
Right, okay.
and I set my trade accordingly. Because
And then you see
if
whether it's
this is
worth it.
creating a gold bar, then I want to buy away from the gold bar down.
Yeah, right.
If
Gotcha.
if I'm in a buy and I get a gold bar at the bottom, then I'm looking for the
Yeah.
buys out on the 2 hour time frame.
Yeah, yeah.
So right
Okay.
now, this was the low on the daily.
Yeah.
There's equal highs. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
there's inline liquidity over here on the left, which means
Yeah.
it's going to have to break these two, including that
Yep.
short.
Yep.
So I'm looking for the basically a push down away from these two, from where you got the short and the pullback.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the
Yeah.
push down.
Hmm.
Eventually, it'll come back up and take that. But that's going to
Yeah.
be a long time before it gets back up to that inline liquidity.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I'm looking for sales out of this. So I want to get the highest percentage sale I can get.
Yeah.
So
You
I'm
want
going
to
to wait for a
wait for it to
pullback
pull back. Yeah.
and then get in.
Yeah.
If it
Okay.
just keeps going down, eventually it's going to make a pullback no matter what.
Yeah. Well,
Someplace.
that's basically the same as what the AUDs are doing, pushing up so hard. They're eventually got to come back. I mean, it's just
Yeah, exactly.
inevitable.
So
Okay.
really, I'm just figuring out where's the best location to get in at.
Yeah. But I suppose in my head, I'm asking the question is like, yeah, well, when it pulls back, you don't. But then it doesn't matter, does it? You can always get out anyway. So, yes, if it pulls back even harder. And then you get a second chance.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, CHF JPY. Right. You've got your trade set up.
For the short?
But yeah,
Oh, absolutely.
yeah, no. At the end of that blue, you got it here. Right. Okay. Well, it's one I want to
Well,
set up.
actually, you're right. It's at the bottom of the knuckle.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You don't
Yeah.
worry about that. Okay, you're tightening it a bit. Yes. All right then. No, I could set that one up as well. Your AUD.
I'm still in this one.
Yeah, you're still in the cell, and I reckon that's worthwhile being in too.
I'm at 2% now.
Yeah. Well done. I do think we're getting ready now. I think before the end of the week, potentially have a little pullback, and then maybe the next week it'll push back down again. But eventually, it looks like it's just going to go up. That's where it looks like, the Aussie dollar is just going to tank out. But we'll see. All right, Euro CAD. That's pushing up nice, isn't it? Look, the Canadian dollar weakness. I still reckon this will go further. All right, Euro, and that's another one I want to get in. Euro CHF. Ooh, hasn't quite come down to your.
Not yet.
It's getting there. It's just look at that. Came down, matched off, and then pulled away again. It will come down and then take off. But okay. Next week,
Yeah.
Euro
See,
G.
but
Oh,
but now,
sorry. I'll go
oh, I
back.
was gonna say, but now mine shows something different. So I'm gonna set up a different trade.
What do you mean? The 2 hours looks different or the daily?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
the 2 hour.
Mm-hmm.
So can you open that up just a little bit? Let me
Yeah,
show you what
sure.
I
Hang
mean.
on. I'll open up the whole thing. Yeah. Oh, yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay, so
Look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah.
shrink that down just a little bit so I can see over to the left. Yeah, that's good right there.
Okay.
Oh, that's really small now.
Oh,
Okay,
sorry.
so
Let's go out a little bit. There. Is that better?
yeah, that's better. Thank you. So if you could just drag that whole trade down to the bottom of that gold brick at
Oh,
the
yeah,
bottom where
here.
it just created. Yeah.
Sorry, where am I? Doink. There. I just haven't got him in the right spot at the moment. That's okay. Well, there. Okay.
Yeah. And then flip your fib over.
Yeah. Well, put it back normal. Yeah, okay.
Okay. And then drag your placeholder box
Mm-hmm.
all the way down to the bottom of that white box. And then see the green wick to your left,
Yeah, this one.
down,
Yeah, I
down
put it.
to your left, down to your left.
Oh, even further. Yeah,
Yeah,
down there.
down, down, down. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's my trade setup.
Oh, okay, you've
So now,
changed.
so
Yeah,
now I'll put
okay.
my limit order on.
Yeah, yeah. For it to come down there and then trigger you in, have your stop loss pack so that it's not going to break that green one down there and then take off.
Right, because
Okay.
you see that brick that has no wick on it
Well, there's a
down to
number
your
of.
left, just
Oh,
above the.
you mean this one or this one?
I, I don't know. Raise your screen up just a little bit. That one
All
is
right.
what I can only see.
This
Yeah.
one?
So right there, right there.
Yeah.
So this is pushing down.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm looking for this to come back up and hit the 88 now.
Oh, you think this will come up to there?
Yes. So
Oh,
slide your green top down to the 88.
okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no. Sorry. Let me get the sequence. You think this will come down, trigger in, and then go up to the 88? Or do you think
Yes.
it'll go from here up to the 88?
No, I think it's going to trigger me in
Okay.
and push
Okay.
up to
And
the
then go up to
88.
88. Yeah. Okay.
And the reason
And
being is it's not going to take out these two wicks I'm sorry, these two gold blocks at the
yeah.
bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's going to come back up to the 88 and
Yeah.
then push down and take these two.
Okay.
So I'm buying it back up to the 88.
To then get the sell out.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah, he's changed his. Well, as things move along and change, then you have the ability to change your
That's right.
processes.
That's
Okay.
what that green line does for me.
Yeah.
So I build my box that it has to complete with the fib at the
Yeah.
50% box.
Yeah.
I look to see where it's pointing, it's going down. I
Yeah.
try and figure out where it's going to go down to, and then
Yeah.
let it come to me.
Come back. Yeah.
If it takes off and goes up, then I know I'm not in the right direction.
And it's interesting how your feed has a very different green line to my feed. That's okay.
Well, my
I
green
reckon.
line is the same, basically. They're just shaped differently, but it's the same
No, I
pattern.
mean on different pairs.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Sometimes we have different, and I always think that mine's correct, so that's okay then.
It's all right.
Ah, all right, your GBP. I reckon it's going to break out. Something's going to happen here. Absolutely. It's
Yeah, I'm
been,
setting up for this buy too.
yeah, it's been fluffing for a while. It tried to push out, up, back here, and I think it'll come out the top. But anyway,
Yep, me too.
right, yeah. Euro JPY. None of these JPYs I'm not comfortable with. Look at this double top here. All of this rubbish in the middle. I need it to do so anyway. Euro NZD is the one that now should have been in the sell for this yesterday, but I don't know. I just never got back to it. I got a charter I had to do, and anyway, doesn't matter. I still think I still think it's worth being in. It might come back to drawdown, but I think we'll keep getting a sell on this. Something's going on. This Aussie New Zealand dollar stuff is just baffling me at the moment. But then again, why be baffled by it? Just see what's going on and then go with it. I mean, you can overthink it, I reckon. Anyway, Euro Singapore doesn't really excite me either, and the Euro US now. It looks like it was starting to sell out on it. Where's the green? Where's our oh, there. It's just saying it's gonna buy, 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 buy. Look at that.
Still in it.
Yeah.
Come on, little pair buy.
Yeah. Well, it's not moving at any rate of knots though, Tom, but it is still pushing up. That's not making you happy, Darren, is it?
Uh, uh, it's not still. I mean, it it dropped off initially today, and it was down to about under 4% the drawdown. It's pushed back up again. It's back
Put
up
back
to
up. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's back. What's it up to now? About 8-9% or something. So yeah, it's
Yeah. Well, that looks like it's gonna push itself up a bit further out of that box. Like it's been working up and down for the week or more since the start of August, basically. It's a month really, and now it's starting to getting ready to break out. See the red wick up there, match out that one, and we'll just see. Looks like it's pushing back up now even. It's done 3 bricks, 1, 2, 3. We might get a gold and then push back up.
Or might not
Mate.
get a gold and it knuckles here and really
Yeah,
pushes.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, I think some of this US news, I think it is more than anything. Okay, GBPs, GA. Oh, what was I thinking or not thinking? All right. Again, Aussie dollar striking. Okay, GBP CAD. Opposite direction. Look at that. So the CAD's really weakening off. The Aussie dollar's getting strong, and the British pound's just showing you both ways. GBP CHF, that's sort of going sideways. I'm not really. Oh, has that triggered you in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, lovely. So you think it's going to buy? Yeah, you will. That'll buy up. I don't know how much, but we'll see. GJ,
According to
yeah,
mine, it says it's going to break that gold bar.
it does it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
In fact, it's going to come all the way back up to that gold bar that has no wick on the left.
That one up there.
Yep, except not break it. It's going to come to the
Yeah, yeah,
bottom
yeah,
of it.
yeah. Oh, okay. Good, certainly. That'll be a nice percentage, that. All right.
Yeah.
GJ, no. We've got to wait for it to do its stuff. GN, here we go. There, again. That reckons it'll turn. I don't know yet. I just maybe too late for that one. GBP Singapore. Right now. I'm on to that. I reckon that'll buy back up and break out. All right, and GU. Oh, now that's changed.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Tom? That's changed the green line on mine. What's yours doing?
Exact same thing.
Okay.
So I am now killing this
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
cell.
Kill that one out. Yeah.
Kill this. Flip it over. Give me a buy.
Yeah.
Set it up underneath that wick.
Yeah, underneath here. Oh, that wick there.
Yep, and to the bottom of that wick. And there we go.
Yeah, okay.
Now I'm in for the buy.
All right,
It's going to
let's just put
possibly
that
test that
on.
high on the daily.
Let's just put that on there and there.
No, to the wick.
Yeah, I am to the wick there.
No, to the one above it.
Oh, oh, right. Sorry. That one there.
It shouldn't beat that bottom, right?
No, it shouldn't be at the bottom. That's right. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, why have it bigger? Okay, it's still 64, but yeah, okay.
And now put your 50% from the high to the low. The most
I've got,
recent. The most
oh,
recent.
you want this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you want that up to here even?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Change the 50% and then out. Okay. It's sort of just come up to 619 away, back to 619 away, and then more likely to come up and break the top. Okay.
Right.
Right.
So here's what I want you to think about though.
Yeah.
Don't count on that green line. All you're looking
I'm
for is
not.
a pull back into that box someplace once
Yeah,
it
yeah.
takes off.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's fair enough. And then be able to be adaptable and change if things change, circumstances change. That's
Yep.
fine. Oh, yeah. That might only go up to here, even. Still 3%. That's still worth it. Okay, NCAD.
I'm still in this one.
Yeah, you're still in the buy.
I'm up almost 4%.
Wow. Both New Zealand Aussie dollar. All right, into DCHF.
I'm in this
Still
one.
pushing up as well. Yeah.
It triggered me in a brick ago.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, where it changed the color. Okay. NJ. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll see. NU. I reckon that. Are you in that buy? You should be.
I am
Could be.
not.
Right. Hmm.
On the higher
And
time
that.
frames, I'm looking for sell outs.
Yeah. Okay. You know what? Yeah, it's not worth that little short. You just wait for it. I think it's going to be the same. AUD and NZD when one turns, the other one will, and they're all just pushing back down. Anyway, Singapore Japanese, no. UCAD. Now, how's your UCAD trade going, Darren?
You can.
What's that one? That one's not Fortnite.
FX Eternals.
Eternals. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, as I say, there's not been any dramas with that. It's currently got one. Well, there's three positions, a set of three positions open. It's in
Buys or sells.
cells.
Okay.
It's in about
It is selling out at the moment. We'll probably get another brick down here, either one or two, whatever, and then looks like it's going to overall buy though. So
it's in about 0.5% of drawdown.
yeah. If they could all be like that, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Trying to break out that box. It's pulling back now. We'll just see. All right, USD CHF. All right. You ready for the sell on that, eh? Looks like the US dollar's tanking. Tanking out. All right. US JPY. Don't like the look of that. USD Singapore. Yeah. I think that gold bar will disappear. We'll get a sell. Anyway, gold 3637. Oh, now. Okay. Looks like this is where the pullback's happening. What date's that? It's only Tuesday. Okay. Oh, wow. Right. It seems to have stalled. Yeah, you can see where it's stalled across here. I think we're going to get the pullback now on that gold. Okay. Silver, same thing. Yeah. Oh, no, it's pushing up further. Must be all those rockets, mate. They need silver for something in them anyway. Bitcoin hasn't really. Oh, and 114. See, it's pushing up. Mm. Mm. Okay, and oil 62 dropped back out again. Did you see the Kuwaiti or the Gulf, the measures they put in? We're going to retaliate against Israel. Now, we're not going to let anybody with an Israeli passport or Israeli stamp into our country. It's like, okay, fair enough. So what Israel will do is just get a passport from some other country and go in there anyway. It's fun and games, isn't it? Politics. It's such rubbish. All right.
Actually,
Yeah.
isn't that against the Jewish religion to claim something else and a lie like that?
Not
I
if you're
think I
going
think actually they're the only ones that say you cannot claim another religion, right?
to, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm sure if they're going to knock off Hamas, they'll break whatever rules they want to.
Yeah, that's true.
It's all about the end, isn't it? Power and money, eh? Right. Okay. Let's see a few happies. What do you reckon, Darren? Get a few happy traders going? Anyway, I'll see what happens this weekend. I've done a deal. I've sold 10 U's. I've got to try and deliver them maybe tomorrow. We'll see how I go.
10 U's.
Yeah, as in sheep, as in female sheep.
Oh, I know what it is. 10 U's though. That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Not too bad. $250 each. By the
You
time
think
you get
they'd
a
be
transfer,
more?
sorry.
I said you would think they'd be more.
Yeah, well, if you take them, they've been hitting nearly 400 at the sale yards, but by the time you pay fees and sale yard fees and transport fees, and you end up getting $100. So it's better I just do private sales.
Ah, cool.
And then the
Are you still
weather's
beekeeping?
yeah, still with yeah. We're
Yeah, okay.
doing work on the weekend, last weekend. I've got charters this weekend, so I won't be able to help him too much. But anyway, we're still doing that. It's now spring, so things are starting to kick off. Bees are starting to wander around a bit. They're still pretty hungry. They haven't got not a lot of pollen out yet. So they're not pollen, sorry, nectar. They're bringing in some pollen. So they're building up some of their bee numbers. They need pollen for the protein to actually grow baby bees. But they need the nectar to be able to bring in the honey. There was one hive that died out, it starved out over the winter that we found the other day. But anyway, that's okay. We'll just get a swarm or do a split and get a queen or something and make another one, get another one happening. What else? Oh yeah, the weathers. So the weathers lambs that we've got, I've already sold. But I sold eight that I took the first time. So people have bought a half lamb for $150. So that's 300 for two. But then there's the cost. It cost me 100 and I think it cost me 160. We worked out, I think it was $160 to get it slaughtered and processed, cut up and all cryovac and everything. And then I'm selling them out for 150. So it cost 160 and you sell for 300. It's okay. But anyway, I've got to
That's
look
kind of
for
cool,
some.
though.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to slaughter them myself. It's not something I like doing.
Right.
But that's farm life. But we're still selling plenty of eggs. We've got eggs going. We start product, daylight's getting longer, so we're starting to get more eggs out of it. And it will be probably, hopefully before the end of this month, I'll probably get a whole lot of day old chicks to bring up. So then normally they'll come back into production. So it's 21 days from an egg being laid to hatching if it's fertile. And then it's 21 weeks from a hatched chicken to when it'll lay an egg, its first egg normally. And then normally you get probably about 2 years out of it that they have production. Then you move them on. Anyway, we had
Cool as
scrambled eggs
that,
the other
huh?
day. You cannot believe that how yellowy, orangey, it's almost bright orange the yolks and the scrambled eggs. People love the eggs. We sell the eggs at about $7 a dozen.
Oh, I'm sure there's nothing like fresh eggs.
Oh, well, it's just we feed them really well, and they're out on grass every day, and yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
well, that's farming life and bus driving life, and it's today 2 months today, and we've got the federal court case appeal. So where the dickhead will lose his appeal, and we hopefully some of the money will flow. See what
Oh,
happens anyway.
good for you.
Yeah. Well, that's yeah, but there's three judges now on the appeal board, and but then they'll have to make their decision. So whether we get a decision before the end of the year or not until next year, even though the thing will be on the 12th of November. But anyway, rightio. Well, that's
Yeah.
this week. We've done all right. Darren, if I get time, I'll get that happy this weekend and throw them onto some accounts on the weekend.
Well, I'm going to set up the Happy Forex, which I've already got.
Yeah.
I'm going to get that on an account. The dark gold I need to set up,
Right.
which I purchased. So they're my main things.
You're going to put them onto live accounts.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. And then sort of beyond that, I want to think about getting another iPhones account.
Yeah. Okay. And not sharpshooter. Have a look at market maker.
Yeah,
I'm not suggesting you do it. It's not cheap, but
Yeah.
I think that look at the track record on that. It's yeah, much more impressive than sharpshooter. I think sharpshooter is one that's great on a live account, personal live account. It's already shown you that it's good return, but it's actually quite volatile.
Yeah.
So, all right, until my Monday, your Sunday evening, maybe if you want to join us, and we'll see how we go from there. Tell you what's
Yeah.
happened. All right then. Ciao.
See ya.
All right.